What's up guys, Tasche here. Guys, welcome to the channel. So glad to have you here. Guys, today in this video, I'll be doing a review of a brand new membership software called Members Kit. But before I get into that, if you're new to the channel, please be sure to subscribe because I post videos every single day on internet marketing, ways to make money online, and how you can become a more successful home business entrepreneur. Also, if you would like to see my recommended resource for making money from home, if you want to see what I'm doing, go ahead and click the link in the description and I'll share more with you on how you can do that. Same with that, guys, let's get into the review. So, guys, Members Kit is a brand new membership software from rutecky and Mike Thomas, who is also known in the internet marketing industry as Mike from Maine. And Members Kit basically makes it super simple to create membership sites, much easier than it has traditionally been. Most membership softwares out there are either really too complicated to figure out, or the licensing is only good for one site or one domain, or you need your own hosting. There's all sorts of different. And then if there's technical problems, you know, you have to deal with. Say, for example, you have a WordPress-based membership site. You got to deal with the problems of different plugins and themes conflicting with each other and your membership site crashing and all kind of nonsense. Well, Members Kit makes it super simple. Everything's hosted for you. You don't need a domain. You don't need your own hosting, nothing. It's all here, done, ready to go for you. Brett is a software developer and a well-known internet marketer, and he's made the software super simple yet very effective. Okay. So, guys, in this review, now typically during a review that I do, I usually like to first review the sales page. Unfortunately, the sales page for Members Kit is not ready yet, so I can't quite do the review of the sales page. However, we'll just skip that and we'll go straight into the members area. We'll take a tour around and show you what's all included with the software. We'll kind of poke around and see how it works. Then we're going to talk about the front-end product and the OTOs, or the one-time offers that you'll be seeing. And then we'll talk about the bonuses that are included, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and pause the video and log into my account, and we'll be right back into the members area. So let me pause real quick. Alright guys, so here we are inside the members area. Now, as soon as you log in, you'll come to the welcome page, the welcome screen, and Brett has a note here saying to make sure you watch the tutorial videos before using the software, just so you can get an idea of how the software works. He also has a support link right here. If you need support or need help with the software, just click that and send him a support ticket and he'll help you out. So to get to the tutorials, we're just going to go over here to the tutorial section. And there's basically 3 videos that are in there right now. There's basic usage, there's page order and drip feeding, because you can actually organize your membership pages in a way where each member will see them in a certain order. You can also drip feed the content as well. And then there's a tutorial video on how to upload your files. So let's say you have a membership site where you're giving away your own software maybe, or like a download or plugin, or an ebook or something. You can actually upload the file into the membership site. That way your members can actually download the software or whatever, or a product you have. They can actually download it from within your membership site. Okay. So make sure you watch all those. That should be the first thing you do. Let's go ahead over to memberships. Now, to create a new membership site, all we need to do is we're going to click on Create New. Now I'm just going to call this Kurt's Test, okay? I'm just going to do a quick test here. To allow signups, yes or no. Basically, do you want to allow people to sign up to your membership site? Okay, you can choose yes or no. Basically, this is good if you're kind of doing testing and you don't want to have new members sign up just yet. You can put this on no. Otherwise, keep it on yes. Here you can upload your own logo. The texture, which is the page texture behind on the page itself, like in the background texture. You can choose from different textures. Each one of these numbers represents a certain type of textural style that you can use as your background. Okay. You can add a copyright text. Secure signup. You can have yes or no. Now, no means that you're allowing free members to sign up. So this is good simply for a list building project. You want to just build a list. Maybe you're giving away a free ebook or a free software or whatever. You can just keep it on no. However, if you pick yes, you can actually integrate your membership site with JVZoo. And then when people want to join your site, they will go through the JVZoo, they'll click on a JVZoo buy button to purchase the membership. And what's great about that is, number one, JVZoo handles all the sales for you. All you have to do is just promote your site, and JVZoo takes like a small percentage of each sale. It's really small, like it's like 1 or 2%, something like that. I'm not sure. You'll have to look up to find the exact amount. And you can also, what's great is you can also have affiliates promote the site for you, and JVZoo handles all that as well. And if you've never used JVZoo before, it's really simple. There's plenty of tutorials inside the JVZoo inside JVZoo's website to teach you how to use it. Just go to jvzoo.com and you'll learn exactly how to use it all. And it's also one of the top membership, or one of the top affiliate networks used by internet marketers. So it's a great way to help you build your list and also to increase sales or make sales. Plus the fact that when you use JVZoo, you're actually building lists of buyers. Okay, you have so if you pick, for example, under secure signup, pick no, you can build a list of, like a free list, people that just are getting free offer, whatever it is. But one of the best ways to build a list, at least in the internet marketing niche, is to not only focus. You can build build a list of freebie seekers or free members is fine. But what's really going to help you to skyrocket your income is to build a list of people that are actually spending money. Okay? And this is what this allows you to do, is to build a list of buyers. Okay. Now, if you use Brett's MyMailIt software, you can actually integrate that with this membership, with Members Kit, and your members will automatically be added to your email list via the MyMailIt software. If you don't use MyMailIt, however, no problem. You can download your leads, download your members, and import them into your chosen autoresponder, whether that be, excuse me, whether that be Aweber, GetResponse, TrafficWave, whatever. However, if you want to use MyMailIt, hold on for a second. Don't go pick it up right now, because I got a little surprise for you here at the end of the video. But this allows you, again, to automatically integrate with your chosen autoresponder, with MyMailIt, excuse me. And again, if you use a different autoresponder, such as Aweber or GetResponse or whatever, you can just download your list of members and import them into your autoresponder. You want to put a support email, so if people need support with your website, with your membership site, they can email you for support. You can make your site GDPR compliant, okay, which means that the recent GDPR from the European Union, which is you probably have seen something about this recently. It's been several months since it's been released, since it's been actually enacted. You can have your site GDPR compliant, or pick no. If you want to get members from countries within the EU, you have to make your site GDPR compliant. And you can do that simply by clicking and doing this, and that's going to add a GDPR compliant privacy policy to the website. And you can also type in it right here, and this way your site won't be blocked within the EU. Okay? You'll be able to actually get members from the European Union as well. But if you don't want to get members from the EU, just go ahead and click no, and that's it. The sales page URL, basically this is the sales page of your membership site. So you got to create a sales page for your membership site, and then the membership site itself is going to be hosted right here within Members Kit. Okay. Now, so I'm going to go ahead and just do a quick little. Let's go ahead and just pick a. I'm just going to type in something random like copyright 2018. I'm going to put my my domain there. Support email. I'm going to call this support@tasche.com. I use MyMailIt myself. I'm not going to worry about it right now, though. We're just doing a test walkthrough, and then I'm going to leave this as no for GDPR to make this simpler. And sales page URL. going to leave this blank for right now. And click Create Membership. Okay. Now I'm going to go ahead and you see here it says you've created the max number of memberships. In this test account, this is a basic test account. Basic membership, you're going to find out when we talk about the front-end product and the RTOs, allows you to create 5 membership sites with unlimited members. There's an upgrade that allows unlimited sites, and we'll talk about that here in a little bit. So with this, I can click Get Links, and home link is, this is a homepage link. So when people log in, that's their homepage that they log into. Sign up link. So if we click on, let's go ahead and these pages aren't actually ready yet. So this is probably going to come up blank because you have to create your pages. So let me click. Now see how it says access denied because it's not created yet. Okay. So let me go ahead and I just went ahead and here we go. Okay. Now, so that's where you get your links from. Okay, as you saw. Right here's your edit pages. Here's your settings. Show your stats and delete. So if we go to check our settings real quick, and we'll see what's included with this. This is all the settings that we just looked at. Okay, when we created our page. Okay, go back to memberships. We want to create or edit pages. I'm going to create a new page, and we're going to call this home. Create a new page. And then to start editing the page, we're going to click on Edit. We can also copy the page or we can delete the page. So we edit the page. It's going to take us to the page builder. We're dragging our page builder. And we can, let's see, let's go ahead and we get a button. We have color box. We can use a link box. We have text. Upload an image. We have clipboard we can use. Add a video. We can create an iframe widget or HTML. Okay, so if we do this, we go ahead and I'm going to drag this in here. I'm going to call this Kurt's test. Okay, and we're going to go ahead and increase the font by a little bit. Change the font type if you want. Change the color of the font. So if we want to make that red, we can. Okay, and then and I can also I can use basic HTML. I'm going to center it. Now, I'm only doing a quick little demo on this. We're not going to do a complete membership site creation. Brett actually has plenty of tutorials in the membership site, in Members Kit, that's going to show you exactly how to do everything. We're just going to do a quick little, kind of a quick rundown. So that, and let's see if we want to put some clip art here. Yeah, let's just go ahead and I'll put something in there. Unless I have a smiley face in there for whatever. Okay, and then of course what you would do is you would design your membership site the way you want it. Add your logos and images. You can add more text. If we want to create a bunch of text in here, and then the text box, you can actually use basic HTML to create line breaks, etc. Okay, so this is just a bunch of gibberish right there. And then go to Controls and click Save. Okay, and then you can also use a template if you want to. So, for example, if I want to use a template for my site, I can go ahead and click OK. So I get a big video page. So basically, if you don't want to try to design things from scratch, you can actually just use the templates, and it's going to be much, much easier. So a big video page, file download page, multi-video page, side video page, video download. So let's see what, so we got side video page here. That's a template we can use. Okay, so that's going to put a video here. Okay, so basically this could be used as, for example, inside your membership site. If you're doing a course you can actually use this to create a page of different videos for the course. If we go to controls again, go to templates again, we can actually create a big video page, and that gives us, so this basically could even be such as like a welcome page or home page of your website. So we just take this and we're going to call this, I'm going to go ahead and right click on this area here. I'm going to say welcome to Kurt's test membership, and update the text. Okay, and you can add your video in here. All you do is right click inside the video box here and add your own video, and it'll put it right here for you. I can also drag this to resize the page, so if I want to add more content, I can go ahead and simply drag the resizer here and then go ahead and add more stuff. Add some text or whatever, I can do that. HTML, whatever I want to do. And then I go here to controls and go to save and click save. And exit the editor. And then I'm going to, now what this order says H. H is the home page. So H is going to be the first page people see when they log into the membership site. If I create another page here, let's go ahead and call this, I'm going to call this page 1. I'm going to call this course page. Let's just call this course page. Now, page name is for your own use. That's not going to show up on your website. That's just for your own use. You know what it's for. So, edit the page. In this case, I'm going ahead and just put a multi-video website, multi-video page. So you see here, I can actually have a multiple video page here. So I can have like just like the side video page, I can use this as well. This just has them kind of side by side. Basically, let's say I want to create a course and I want to put the videos in here, I can do that. And then again, I can drag to resize. I can add more videos to the side if I want to, simply by copying each of these elements or drag and drop elements. Very simple. And then go ahead and I'm going to save it. Excuse me. And click OK. And exit. Okay. Now, I'm going to do this again real quick. I'm going to check some things here. Controls. Okay. Now, right here, what I didn't show you before, I should show you earlier. This is the order of the pages that people will see. Now, the home page, obviously the first page they see. This is going to be page 1. I call this 1 because that's the next page they'll see. We can also do drip feeding, where we can actually have this show to members on certain days. So let's say, for example, that we want to create a course that's kind of a 1 lesson per day kind of thing. You can actually have like this, where you have all these pages, all these videos in one page, where people can just do your course or go over your course all at once. Or let's say we do this instead. Let's go ahead, go to templates. Let's click OK. Let's click. Let's see which one's going to work best. Let's see what video download shows. Okay, that's it. Okay, this may work for our. This will work for our purpose. So let's say, for example, you want to have a course. Let's say it's like a. Let's say you're doing a 7-day course, and each module in the course you want to drip feed to your members, so that one at a time. So, for example, when someone signs up for the course, they're going to see the first video on day 1. They'll go to the next one on day 2, next day on day 3, etc. And you can change this download button to anything you want. Maybe you have a download for a software or whatever, or maybe you have a resource they can go to. This is just here for your own use. You can actually delete it if you want to. let's just say this is our course day 1. So we're going to call this day 1. Okay, and leave everything else the same. And we'll go ahead and when I click Control, I'm going to click the show. The order I'm going to put as 1. Actually, it's H for a second. I'm going to show this on day 1. Okay, now I'm going to save it. And actually, we need to change this because if you have more than one page with the same number, or if it says H, it's going to randomly choose a page. So you want to make sure that you do change this. So we'll put this on 1, and we'll go ahead and save it again. Okay. Exit the editor. And we're going to go ahead and do another page real quick. Page 2, or call it day 2. So course page will technically be day 1, but I'm just going to leave it as it is. Day 2, edit. We'll go ahead and click Controls, Templates. We'll go ahead and do the same video download. We'll change this and call this day 2. Update. Okay, this will stay the same. And we're going to go ahead and save it. But we're going to call this show on day 2. And we're going to call this 2 as well. Okay. Going to save it. And exit. So now what's going to happen is when members sign up to our site, the first thing they'll see is the home page, and then this will actually, they will see the first video that we created, the first video page, which we called course page, which technically it should be called day 1. They will see that on the first day, but they won't be able to see day 2 until the second day. And it's going to be unique for each member. So if one member signs up today, they'll see course page, they'll see this one here first, and then they'll see day 2 the next day. If someone signs up tomorrow, they're going to see this first and then this the next day. Okay, so it makes it easy to actually drip feed content to your members. So go ahead back to our memberships, and if we look at get links, now the home page, this is the home page link here. As you can see, we didn't do a whole lot with it. We just basically put together a quick page for this. But now if we go to sign up link, let's see if that actually shows up. Okay, now the reason this is access denied is because because it's set up as because I actually set it up to go through JVZoo, it's actually not allowing us to see the site. This helps secure your website. This way, people have to pay to see your site, to access your website. So if we go ahead and go back here, and let's go back to our site here. I'm going to edit this. Back here again, excuse me. I'm going to go to settings. Okay. Now, secure signup, that's why you have access denied, okay? Because again, the way Brett does it, creates a software, he makes it secure so people can't steal your membership site. So they can't steal and get free memberships unless you give them to them. Okay, they can't, there's no backdoor they can get into. So they can't bypass JVZoo. Now, if we go ahead and take this and click no, this way, this is going to create a free membership site for us. So we update membership settings, okay, then we go back to edit, or back to our pages. Actually, we go back here again, just go back to the links. Go back to our links, okay, and copy the link here. That should allow us to see the page. Oops. Didn't click the entire link there. Okay, here we go. So this is the sign up page that people will come to. So basically, you're going to create a sales page separately, and actually I'll show you how you can do that as well without actually having to have your own domain. We're going to talk when we talk about the bonuses. You're going to see some you can use. So this is the sign up page that people are going to be sent to, and this here would actually be your logo for the website. And so this way they can actually sign up. This they can sign up for free here. Again, if it's a secure site where you chose yes for secure site, they would have to purchase through JVZoo first, and then they'll be able to access the sign up page. Okay. So again, this gives you complete control over whether you want to have a free membership site or a paid site, and it prevents people from actually getting free memberships within your site without your permission. Okay. So I'm going to close that out. Okay. Now, real quick before we get into anything else like the bonuses, I want to talk about the front end product and the OTOs, because again, every single big launch in the internet marketing space, everyone's got different upgrades and upsells that they offer to enhance your purchase. So with Members Kit, hopefully you can see this. It might be a little bit small. With Members Kit, the front end product is the Members Kit software for $37, one-time fee. Again, you're not paying any monthly fees for this. You're not paying for any hosting or anything else. You'll be able to create 5 membership sites with unlimited members, GDPR compliant, if you wish. They're list building ready. You can create free or paid sites. Don't need any domain or hosting. Plus, you get done for you video content, so you can build your sites super fast. Okay. The first OTO for the Pro upgrade for Members Kit Pro, that's a $67 optional upgrade. Okay. However, if you are serious about creating membership sites, I highly recommend upgrading, because with the Pro version, you can create unlimited sites with unlimited members. Okay, so plus you also get developer rights, which means that you can actually create websites for others using the software. Okay, you can actually contract yourself out to actually create membership sites for other people. All right, so the front end Members Kit software is going to get you 5 membership sites that you can create, and you can delete them as you wish if they don't work out, and kind of replace them with new ones. But you only get 5 on the front end product, only 5. The Pro upgrade is going to give you unlimited membership sites, and that's a simple one-time $67 upgrade. Okay, as opposed to paying monthly fees for your hosting and for your membership software and going through all the headaches of technical nonsense. It's really worth it. Second OTO is the 4-week coaching program from Mike and Brett, which they're going to show you how they created a $8,000 per month income with membership sites, and that is a $97 upgrade. Okay, so if you want to learn how 2 of the top internet marketers and top affiliate marketers in our industry are creating an income with membership sites, you definitely want to get this upgrade. $97 one time. So again, as a recap, the front end Members Kit, $37. You get to create 5 membership sites with unlimited members. Pro upgrade, OTO number 1, you get to create unlimited sites with unlimited members for $67, plus you get developer rights, which means you can create sites for others as well. And finally, the second OTO is the 4-week coaching for $97, where Mike and Brett are going to teach you how they've created an $8,000 per month income with membership sites. Now let's talk about the bonuses, because you're going to get access to some awesome bonuses with Members Kit. And as I told you before, we talked about the My Mail It software, and I also talked to you about a way you can actually create your own sales pages for your membership sites without actually having to buy new software. So if it goes to the extras, first of all, we have there's WP embed, which means you can actually take this WP embed, you can actually embed your membership site inside your own WordPress site if you want to. Okay, so you can actually have your own domain brand in your site and have this embedded into your own WordPress website. Okay, that's an option, but you get this for free, this free plugin. Profit Canvas is, and this is the software I use for my page creation when I create sales pages and splash pages and things like that. This is Brett's top-notch page creator, page builder, and you can actually use this Profit Canvas to create pages for your membership sites, create your sales pages. And again, all pages are hosted for you. You don't need to host your own pages if you don't want to. You do have the option, however, to embed your pages inside your own website if you wish. However, you don't need to. They're all hosted for you. And this sells for like $97 on its own. Actually, I'm sorry, it sells for $497 on its own as a one-time, or it sells for a monthly or annual price. So definitely worth picking up Members Kit just to get this for free. And finally, if you're wondering about how to get access to My Mail It, so you can actually integrate your membership site with your own autoresponder, you'll get free access to Brett's My Mail It software, his cloud-based autoresponder software, for free with Members Kit. Okay, so you don't have to have your own autoresponder. Now, if you like to use, like personally, I use a handful of different autoresponders because each one has features that I like. If you have one that you like to use, such as maybe Aweber, you can simply download your members and import them into Aweber. Okay. If you want to automatically integrate and not have to do it yourself, you're going to get free access to My Mail It, where you can actually have it integrate directly with Members Kit. And this way, whenever a member signs up to your membership site, they are automatically added to your email list within the My Mail It software. So, and that sells for about $97 one time, and you're going to get free access to that with your purchase of the Members Kit. So a lot of great bonus here, guys. And plus, here's where you can get your download your done for you videos for your membership sites, so you don't have to worry about creating your own. This is going to help you launch your membership sites quickly. Okay. If we go over to broadcast real quick, I'm going to show you that real quick, guys. Broadcast is, you can broadcast to your members, which will show up next time they log in. So this is not an email broadcast. What this is a message that you can add into the membership site for your members to see when they log in each time. So maybe you want to have a message to send out to your members as they log in, maybe a special offer, whatever that may be. You can add that in here, and then they will see that when they log in. And this can be changed at any time. Okay. So, and also, guys, if you have files that you want to upload that you want your members to download, maybe say, for example, you're giving away an ebook with your membership site or a software or whatever, you can go to Uploads and then just click Add New or Upload New and upload a new file. Just remember that with this, you have to upload it for security reasons. It has to be a zip file. You cannot upload an exe file or anything like that. It has to be a zip file, and you just do that right through here. So, guys, that is my review of Members Kit. Now, I think Members Kit personally I think it's something that's going to really change the game for a lot of people. A lot of people are wanting to get into product creation and membership site creation, especially utilizing the JVZoo marketplace. And the alternatives are either very expensive or very technical, or they just don't work very well. With Members Kit, it's going to make it so much easier and simpler for you to create your membership sites. Even just, for example, just to give away something for free. Creating a membership site actually has been known to where people are actually more likely to actually utilize the site and or even to promote it, to help share the site, because being part of a membership site actually makes people feel like they belong to something. Okay, instead of just sending to a download page, say here you go, take it. You can actually create a membership site. And some of the most successful product launches in the internet marketing space have been products or courses that are In fact, if you look at almost all the most recent big launches in the internet marketing space, they've all been membership sites. Now, they may not be marketed as a membership site, but it's either a software or a course or something, and they're all featured, that are all offered to the members via a membership site. So instead of buying it and downloading it and that's it, it's shown through a membership site. Okay, and that's, again, that's not only is that great for sales, it's also great for building a list. So guys, I highly recommend that you pick up Members Kit as soon as it goes live. Now, with Brett and Mike, typically what they do is they start a launch off at a low price, and then they increase the price during the launch. And then once the launch ends, it goes way up, if it's even available again after that. So make sure you pick that up ASAP. Now, going back to my notes here, Members Kit is launching on December 2nd. I think I said December 3rd earlier. I was wrong. December 2nd, 2018 at 10 a.m. Eastern Time. And the launch is ending on the night of the 4th at midnight. So around 11:59 p.m. is when the launch is ending. Again, the price is going to be the best and lowest at the beginning of the launch. It's going to go up during the launch, and it's going to go way up after the launch. Also, extras may or may not be there after the launch. Typically, when Brett and Mike offer extras with their software, with their products, typically these extras are only available during the launch, and they get taken away right away. So honestly, if you want to get you're going to get all this, like over $600 worth of software right here. Okay, because Profit Canvas is $497 on its own one-time fee. My mail is $97. It's either $67 or $97 one time. WPM, but I'm not sure how much that is. Brett's never offered this before. You're going to get all that for your $37 front-end product purchase. And again, if you're really serious about building membership sites and really taking your internet marketing, your online career to another level, you really want to pick up this Pro upgrade, okay, to be able to create unlimited sites. And if you want to really boost up and really turbocharge your career, really turbocharge your income, you want to pick up this 4-week coaching program, okay? Again, it's just $97 one time, but to pay $97 to learn how two of the top experts, first of all, this $8,000 per month income is just from their membership sites. It doesn't include anything else they've done. It doesn't include their affiliate marketing or other products they've created. But if you want to learn from two experts on how to create membership sites and build a $8,000 per month income, maybe even more, okay, who knows, using membership sites as your income stream, then you definitely want to pick that up, okay? But at least pick up the basic front-end version, okay, at least, okay? This way, you have the ability to create 5 membership sites with unlimited members. But then again, like I said, if you're really serious, you really want to grab this Pro upgrade, okay? If I was going to choose what to pick up, I would definitely pick out that Pro upgrade, okay? Definitely, okay? If this is all you can do, the Members Kit and the Pro upgrade, pick up these two, okay? If you can, definitely want to grab the coaching program, okay? There's no better instructors, no better mentors and teachers to teach you how to do this than Mike and Brett, okay? So with that, guys, this is Kurt Tasche. Thank you very much for watching this review. I think it kind of went on a little longer than I expected, but I really wanted to kind of dive in there and show you guys. I wasn't able to show you a whole lot because that would take a longer video, but I just wanted to show you the power of Members Kit and what you can do with it. I'm super excited about the release of it. I'm gonna start picking up. Right now, I'm using a test account, but I can't wait to pick it up and grab it and start using it myself. I'm gonna grab the Pro upgrade myself because I am at the point where I want to create membership sites for my products instead of just creating and letting them and just putting a download page. I want to create membership sites because I know the power of membership site when it comes to income and when it comes to list building as well. So with that, guys, again, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, please give it a like and a share, and give me a comment if you would. And again, if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, please be sure to subscribe, because again, I post videos every single day on internet marketing, ways to make money online, and how you can become a more successful home business entrepreneur. And if you'd like to see my recommended resource for making money from home, be sure to click the link in the description, and I'll share more with you on how you can do that. Again, guys, this is Tasche. Thanks for watching my review of Members Kit. I appreciate it, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Have an awesome day. Talk to you soon.